Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to animate text in CapCut. Let's get started. First, open CapCut and create a new project. Tap on the text tab and hit the plus to add a new text layer. Then type your message and position it where you want on screen. Then go to Basic or Style tab to change the font size, color, and more. Make it bold or colorful to stand out when animated. With your text selected, tap Animation. You'll see 3 animation types: in, out, and loop. Under in, try option like pop up, fade in, slide in, or bounce. You can also go to loop to add effects. And after that, set the duration to control how fast or slow the animation plays. Once you're happy with how it looks, go ahead and export your video. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.